everyone, and greetings from Dallas, Texas. Tomorrow I'm traveling to Austin, but I decided to take the Greyhound bus there this time. It actually made a ton of sense for this trip. It was way cheaper and way more efficient than flying. So let me show you guys a little bit more about why I booked. So I decided to book the Greyhound bus from Dallas to Austin because it is so inexpensive and really direct. For as little as $14, you can take the bus direct from Dallas to Austin. Wi-Fi is included and there's power outlets in every seat, so I'm able to get all my work done. And it's a express bus, so I'll get there in 3 hours. It is my first time to Dallas and I'm so excited because I'm here to visit my friend Blaine and her husband Jordan. I just got to their house, so I'm gonna go let them know that I'm here. But first I wanted to share a little bit about this trip. So I'm gonna be spending the next day in Dallas catching up with Blaine and Jordan, and they're gonna show me a few of their favorite things around the city. Hi, girl! Alright, so I'm here with Blaine and we're starting our day in Highland Park. I've got a little rundown, but Highland Park is kind of the, it's like a little Beverly Hills.
Yeah, it's like a little town in itself.
Okay, so Highland Park has the cutest houses. It's like little fairy tale land. Blaine called this one the Smurf house. So this is one of the houses in Highland Park on Armstrong Parkway. So we've got coveted neighborhood, the most coveted street, and these are the cute, adorable houses. So I'm learning that football is like religion out here. We just got on the college campus and I was asked by I think it's probably a student film organization if I wanted to go on camera and talk about the current quarterback situation. And I just blank stare I have no idea what you're talking about. My college wasn't big on Greek life. We didn't have sorority houses or anything like that. Oh, she spotted DG. I've been brushing up on my Greek alphabet because I'm trying to figure out what they stand for. Blaine went to Kansas. University of Kansas, and she was a Delta Gamma. So we're literally rocking up to a DG house and asking if we can tour it. She's going for it. Nobody's home, which is shocking. I am shooketh. I want to see the inside, and she wants to. Oh, there's somebody at the desk.
Do you want to let me in? I was a DG.
That humidity is something else. I'm not even sweating. I think that's just the air landing on me.
It is here. I don't know where I'm going. I'm a terrible tour.
We're trying to find the Bush Library. All right, George W. Bush Presidential Library and Museum. Greyhound station. It's so cute. It's got an old retro sign out front. I'm actually super excited to check it out. Thanks, guys. Just slaves in Texas hospitality. Hands are free. Bye. I already bought my tickets online, but you can purchase your tickets in the station, which is quite nice. Alright. So we're gonna head on board. It's like extra cool in here. Look how nice the seats are. It's like black leather seats. So what I was super stoked on is that there's power outlets, free Wi-Fi, there's a bathroom. So rather than driving to Austin, I mean, this just made way more sense.
So we're doing at-home easy.
Is it gonna stain your face?
Chloe's eating my face. I sincerely hope not. Come on, your turn.
It's my turn. I'm ready. I mean, we are watching football.
America.
Right? We
Up and he loves coconut oil. I forgot.
yeah, I forgot. You put it in his face. This is Texas.